Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create administrator user account in Windows 11. For doing this, first of all you have to go to your search bar below. After going to search bar, you have to type here users. After type here user, you will see an option above add, edit or remove other users on this device. You have to click on this particular option. After clicking on this particular option, you will see this option add other user. You have to click on add account. After click on add account, you have to click on this I don't have this person's sign in information. After this, you have to click on the below option add a user without a Microsoft account. Then you have to type the username that you have to use for the new administrator account. Then for making it secure, you will have to enter password here. Then again you have to re-enter the password here. Then you have to type some of the questions answer here. It's not letting me go to next. So okay, we have to add 3 hint questions here with their answer so that we can move ahead. I have choose hint questions according to me. You can choose any of the question according to you. So I will fill third hint also. After typing all the hints, we will click on the next option. After clicking on the next option, you will see that user account has been created, but particularly now it's shown as local account. We will change account type and change it to administrator. Now it will have the main user access like administrator. I will click on OK. Now as we can see, it's an administrator account now. I hope this worked for you. Thanks for watching this video.